Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P027 indicates an issue in the cold start air-fuel ratio control system in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This specific trouble code reveals that the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a commanded air-fuel ratio that is richer than expected based on the target ratio. A rich air-fuel mixture means there is too much fuel and not enough air entering the combustion chamber, which can lead to poor fuel economy and increased emissions. This error code hints at the need for scrutiny of the associated components, such as the PCM, as it is responsible for managing the fuel delivery and air intake under various driving conditions. It is crucial to identify and resolve this issue to ensure optimal vehicle performance. In the troubleshooting guide, we will explore the potential causes, symptoms, and actionable steps needed to rectify this DTC. The DTC P027F is defined as Cold Start Air-Fuel Ratio Control System, Command Rich. This indicates that the PCM has detected a discrepancy where the commanded air-fuel ratio is excessively rich compared to the desired target level. The primary component affected by this DTC is the PCM, which is vital for regulating the air and fuel mixture during engine operation. The PCM's role involves receiving inputs from various sensors, processing this data, and sending commands to adjust the fuel system appropriately. It serves as the brain of the engine management system, ensuring optimal combustion for various operating conditions. Typically, the PCM is located in the engine bay, often mounted near the top of the engine, for easy access to electrical connections and to facilitate monitoring of engine parameters. Addressing issues surrounding the PCM is essential for restoring correct air-fuel management and overall vehicle performance. Several potential causes can lead to the triggering of DTC P027F. First, the PCM itself may be faulty, leading to incorrect readings and performance issues. If the PCM is not functioning correctly, it may miscalculate the required air-fuel mixture, thus commanding a richer blend. Secondly, a malfunctioning sensor, such as the engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensor, can provide erroneous feedback to the PCM, affecting its decision-making process. Furthermore, wiring issues, such as shorts or open circuits, may disrupt the communication between sensors and the PCM, resulting in malfunction codes including P027F. Each of these components plays a crucial role in maintaining the correct air-fuel ratio, and diligent troubleshooting is necessary to isolate the exact issue. When DTC P027F is present, several symptoms may manifest that indicate an underlying issue with the vehicle's air-fuel mixture control. One of the most prominent symptoms is poor fuel economy, as a rich mixture leads to excess fuel consumption. Drivers may also notice rough idling, where the engine seems to struggle to maintain smooth operation, often causing vibrations or noise at idle. Additionally, there may be an increase in emissions, potentially leading to failing an emissions test. It is crucial for drivers to be aware of these symptoms and not ignore them, as they could point to a more serious problem that could impact vehicle performance and compliance with environmental regulations. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P027F involves turning the vehicle to the on mode, which activates the electrical systems without starting the engine. This prepares the diagnostic system and allows you to perform necessary checks. Following this, it is crucial to let the engine cool until the engine coolant temperature (ECT sensor 1) value reads 77 degrees Fahrenheit or less. This cooling period is vital because it ensures that the system is at a baseline temperature for accurate diagnostic readings and avoids misleading data that could be influenced by a warm engine. Once the checks are conducted at this standard temperature, the system can be assessed correctly for any faults contributing to the trouble code. In the second step of the troubleshooting process for DTC P027F, the engine needs to be started after ensuring it has cooled properly. This step is essential as it allows the PCM to run through its diagnostic routines under controlled conditions. Once the engine is running, it should be allowed to idle for a minimum of 10 seconds. This time permits the PCM to collect data about the engine's operating conditions while monitoring the temperature and air-fuel mixture behavior. By idling, you create a consistent environment for diagnostics, enabling the PCM to evaluate the functioning of the air-fuel ratio control system accurately. Observing the vehicle during this period can also provide insight into how the engine responds, potentially highlighting further issues. Final repair verification is a crucial step following the troubleshooting and potential repair of DTC P027F. First, it is essential to confirm that the diagnostic trouble code has been successfully cleared from the vehicle's computer systems. This ensures that any previous error states has been eliminated and the vehicle can operate under normal conditions. Following the clearing process, it is vital to verify the proper operation of the PCM and the air-fuel ratio control system. This can involve road testing the vehicle under various driving conditions to ensure that no new fault codes appear and that the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Successful verification is key to confirming that the repairs made have fully resolved the issue associated with DTC P027F. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding future occurrences of DTC P027F. Regular engine checks should be performed to ensure that the air-fuel mixture is being managed effectively. This involves inspecting the fuel system components and ensuring that they are within their operational specifications. Additionally, it is advisable to conduct sensor inspections at regular intervals, particularly focusing on components like the ECT sensor and others communicating data to the PCM. By keeping all components functioning optimally and promptly addressing any early signs of malfunction, you can help ensure that your vehicle operates efficiently and remains free of issues related to air-fuel ratio control in the long term. In summary, understanding the significance of DTC P027F is essential for maintaining your Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This particular trouble code indicates an abnormality in the cold start air-fuel ratio control system, which can lead to poor performance and increased emissions if not addressed. Timely repairs are crucial to ensure that the vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently, as neglecting such issues can lead to more significant problems down the line. We also explored preventive maintenance steps, including regular inspections of engine components and sensors, as these actions can significantly reduce the risk of future trouble codes and ensure optimal vehicle performance. Overall, proactive maintenance and thorough troubleshooting are essential for keeping your Honda Accord in peak condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.